Garlic croutons. Hi, this is Vamshi. I'm a foodie and I love to cook food. In this episode of Foodie Rules, we are making garlic croutons, which is very crisp and light. So here we needed 4 large bread slices. You can remove the slices, it's totally optional. Cut the bread as shown in the video. The size of the crouton is as your preference. You can make it small, big or very large. Add half tablespoon of oil and mix it gently with hands. Add half teaspoon of garlic powder. You can also check my recipe of garlic powder by clicking this I button. Add half teaspoon of salt. If you are using salted bread, add 1/4 teaspoon. Grease your baking tray with half tablespoon of or half teaspoon of oil. Here I am using olive oil. If you want your croutons to be more crispy, add more oil. Then gently place the bread or else seasoned bread. Keep the crumbs as it is and the crumbs also gives you a more great taste. Bake it for 200 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. It took me 6 minutes for me to become golden brown. I'm baking it only one side. You can also bake it two sides. There you go guys, your croutons are ready. Thanks for watching this video. Do try it, share your experience in the comment and like my video. Subscribe my channel's Foodie Rules and click the bell icon for daily notifications. Thank you.